Yeah, in this topic we will be learning what is balance sheet and profit and loss account in Tally. Okay, this topic is very huge, but we will study according to the entries what we had made. Okay, so this video will get over very fast. So to begin with, like in what we can check, in balance sheet and profit and loss account, you can check your cash balance, bank balance, your creditors, your debtors, your purchase, your sales, your stock, your profit and your expense. How much cash sales you have done, so how much balance you are having, how much sales you have done through bank, so how much bank balance you are having, so how much you need to pay to the party, how much money you will be receiving from the party, how much purchase you have done, how much sales you have done after doing purchase and sales, how much stock you are having, and how much profit you have done through purchase and sales, and how much expense you have done in the business. So let's get started, and we can open our balance sheet. Now if I wanted to see in detail balance sheet, you have to press Alt F1. So I'm pressing Alt F1. Now here you can see in the balance sheet all the various heads. Now let's say sundry creditors, how much I have to pay in my business to all my creditors. So these are all my creditors whom I need to pay. Mr. Khan I have to pay, Mr. Patel, Mr. Raju again, Vijay Sales. So many people I need to pay in my business. So what I have done, let's say I have a doubt, what I have purchased from Khan. So I can go inside. So this is 1 month wise report. If I wanted to check like day wise report, I can check and I can see what I have done. I had purchased from Mr. Khan so much amount, like so much thing, 15 pieces surpass and 8 kg jeera seed I had purchased. So in the tally I can check each and every creditor what amount I had purchased. Similarly how much stock I am having, I'll click over here, how much item I am having in 0% duty, 12% tax and 18% tax. Let's say if I want to go inside, so this much stock of 0% currently I am having. So I can check my stock also. I can check how much money I will receive from my party. I will receive money from Hitesh Trading Company 12,464 and from Rajesh same 6,060 rupees. So in this way I can check my sundry debtors and how much cash sales I have done. So how much cash is there in my business, and how I got the cash, that also I can check. This is the breakup of my cash. Let's say in April I sold some item that was sales exempted. What I have sold, Jeera seed and Taramira TMT oil. From that I have generated cash in my business. So in this way you can check and how much cash in hand I am having. So this is this topic is very huge, so I am just restricted to what we have learned from doing the entries. Now after balance sheet you can check your profit and loss account. Similarly, if you want to go into detail, you have to press Alt F1. Now how much purchase I have done, purchase exempted item, purchase GST, purchase IGST and purchase interstate. Now let's say purchase GST I have done. This will show me monthly report. If I wanted to see day wise report, I can go inside. So purchased GST, this following items I have done. So I can check each and every one, month wise and day wise also. And then sales, how much sales exempted I have done, how much sales GST I have done and IGST and interstate. So I can click over here, sales exempted, so it will show me month wise. If I wanted to see day wise, and I have done one cash sales and one I have done over here credit sales. So in this way it shows me in the business how much sales I have done, and then it will show closing stock. So how much stock I am having, let's say how much stock of 0% I am having. So much stock is there in my business. So in future I will sell either on credit or either on cash or either through bank. So in that way I can generate the money in my business. So this is what about about profit and loss account and balance sheet. So this topic is very huge. I have just restricted to the entries what we have done. I hope you have got at least a basic idea about the profit and loss account and balance sheet.